Hey, welcome y'all. We're doing a salmon burrito. Some people might call it a salmon wrap, but they're wrong. It's a burrito. Salt and pepper both sides of your fish, including the skin side. This is about 4 ounces of salmon. It'll cook pretty fast. Preheat your air fryer, pop it in for about 8 minutes or so. It'll flake when it's done. Remember to pull out on time, as always. Take a burrito tortilla and smear it with about 2 tablespoons worth of ranch. This was light ranch because I didn't do the shopping this week. 1/4 cup lettuce, 1/4 cup cheddar cheese. Now pull that skin off your fish. Don't waste it. Yum 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 yum. Now break the salmon apart so it's evenly distributed. 1/4 cup of black beans go on top. Give it some girth to that burrito. Tablespoon or so of diced onions. Favorite hot sauce to taste. Wrap her up snugly. Always a good standard practice. Don't want things falling out now. Preheat a pan. Put a high smoke point oil, like avocado oil, in there. And you're gonna take about a minute each side. The pan's over medium-low heat. If you really wanted to melt the cheese in, you could cook it covered. Pull out once again. Give it a cut, diagonal. Just see if we can get a pull apart here. And looky there. Enjoy, friends.